Don't you just hate it when your teachers go at lightning speed and you're trying to write things down because of this new online school thing? Because same. Well, problem solved, because today I will be showing you how to take neat and effective online school notes, Global Pandemic Edition. Whether you're doing online school in the summer or fall, you'll need a simple black pen or a colored pen, some black marker, and some highlighters. The mild liners are really good, and a generic piece of paper to write on, notebook, or loose leaf paper. Moving on to title ideas, you're just going to start off with an easy peasy title with a highlighter or a black marker, and if you're feeling fancy, you can do the cursive your grade 3 teacher taught you how to do. Anyway, moving on to some subtitles. These are really simple, literally take like 10 seconds, and highlight it if you feel fancy too. Moving on to the note-taking process. Start off with a title. I'm using a black marker. Grab a pen and write the subtitle from the ideas previous. And then write down your information. I suggest using a blue pen because according to the internet, it makes you remember more information. I don't know if that works. Just do it as your handwriting comes. And then choose another color to annotate the information with, and also write definitions with. And then on the side, use Cornell style notes and write any cues or questions down you have. Here are the final notes. And if you're feeling fancy, take some washi tape and lay it across the title. Really simple. And if you're even feeling even more fancier, grab a sticky note and place it down and write down some information on it. Anything like a question, I don't know, but you know it's cute. It makes your notes look even better. Wow, that was so easy. We are already finished, and that was just wow. I know, very simple, and I'll be showing you how I take my notes like this. So here I'm just taking some basic math notes down, really simple. I am just writing the title here using one of my title ideas with a highlighter and just doing some basic cursive. I think we all kind of know the basics of cursive, so it's not that bad. I mean, we were all kind of taught it in elementary school and forced to do those practice sheets, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, moving on to, you can mix it up and add some other titles together, make it contrast, but we're sticking to a simple theme here because online school is hard, so we just want to make everything really easy for us. And then here, I like using different colors. You can stick to one color, but I find when you mix and match all the colors, you're able to see more information stand out and you can categorize more information. I just personally like it, but it's really not that necessary. Here, I'm taking my physics notes on quantum mechanics, and you can see I'm just taking it in a red pen today because sometimes I don't feel like taking in blue pen, but the internet says blue pen is best. I don't know, maybe we should listen to the internet. Anyway, I just took some really simple and easy notes. Yeah, I think I said simple and easy like 20 times in this video, but that's okay. Anyway, I just made some really easy notes, and with different colors. I like these 4 color schemes. And then I just outlined the title because I was kind of bored. You can do this if you want. And ta-da! I also spilt water on it, so that kind of made me sad. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Thank you for sticking around and watching. Hope to see you next week. Bye-bye!